Hug. I give mom a big hug before bedtime. Sneeze. Cover your mouth when you sneeze. Think. Take your time and think before answering. Crawl. Babies learn to crawl before they walk. Drink. It's important to drink water every day. Handshake. We greet friends with a handshake. Scream. Please don't scream, it can be loud. Climb. Monkeys can climb trees very well. Teach. Teachers teach students new things. Listen. Listen carefully to the music. Run. Let's run to the playground. Sit down. Sit down on the chair, please. Stand up. Stand up and stretch your legs. Eat. Eat your vegetables to stay healthy. Write. Use a pencil to write your name. Read. Read a book before bedtime. Fly. Birds can fly in the sky. Solve. Try your best to solve the puzzle. Jump. Jump over the puddle. Clap. Clap your hands if you're happy. Sleep. Sleep tight and have sweet dreams. Smell. Take a moment to smell the flowers. Give. Give your friend a birthday present. Cough. Cover your mouth when you cough. Laugh. Laughing with friends is so much fun. Talk. We can talk about our favorite things. Fight. It's not nice to fight with friends. Touch. Be gentle when you touch the butterfly. Draw. Use crayons to draw a picture. Play. Let's go outside and play. Bath. Take a bath to get clean. Ride. Children love to ride bicycles. Throw. Throw the ball to your friend. Now listen and match the words with the pictures. Let's start. Hug. Sneeze. Think. Crawl. Drink. Handshake. Scream. Climb. Teach. Listen. Run. Sit down. Stand up. Eat. Write. Read. Fly. Solve. Jump. Clap. Sleep. Smell. Give. Cough. Laugh. Talk. fight, touch, draw, play, bath, ride, throw. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to watch the video on the screen. See you soon.